couple of days ago, we learned the word unutmaq, to forget. And I told you not to forget this word. Today is the reason why. Let's see. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have the word göz yummaq. Göz yummaq. Göz yummaq can mean to turn a blind eye, to ignore, to overlook. And that is on purpose. Because unutmaq, sometimes you can overlook something, not on purpose, subconsciously, or I don't know, you don't do it on purpose. It just naturally happens due to different reasons. But here, this one, you do it on purpose. You overlook something on purpose, which is not in a good way. Because göz yummaq, the literal meaning, means to close an eye. Okay? Let's explore some phrases. To turn a blind eye, to ignore a mistake, to overlook a rule. Because remember, when we were translating unutmaq, we had exactly the same phrase, to overlook a rule. But this time, we have exactly the same thing, except this time it's on purpose. Let's continue. Let's see how to tell and say these in Azerbaijani. Buna göz yummaq. To turn a blind eye to this. To this, buna. This, bu, to this, buna. Göz yummaq. Səhvə göz yummaq. Səhv is a mistake. Again, in this case, you are ignoring it on purpose. Qaydaya göz yummaq. Qayda is the rule, or let's say, when I was helping you to learn the word unutmaq, I said to overlook one's duties, vəzifələri unutmaq. But you can say vəzifələrə göz yummaq. It's basically your duties you are overlooking on purpose. Let's translate these words and phrases in some sentences and you'll understand what I mean. Let's see. Buna göz yummaq üçün heç bir bəhanəmiz yoxdur. Qaydaları hamı üçün eyni ciddiliklə tətbiq etməliyik. Faster way. Buna göz yummaq üçün heç bir bəhanəmiz yoxdur. Qaydaları hamı üçün eyni ciddiliklə tətbiq etməliyik. Translation. We have no excuse to turn a blind eye to this. We must enforce the rules with the same seriousness for everyone. Buna göz yummaq üçün, to turn a blind eye to this, heç bir bəhanəmiz yoxdur. We have no excuse. Excuse, bəhanə. Bəhanəmiz our excuse. We don't have any, basically. We have no excuse. We must enforce the rules. Qaydaları tətbiq etməliyik. That's what the translation. Qaydaları, the rules. Tətbiq etməliyik, we must enforce. With the same seriousness, eyni ciddiliklə, ciddi, serious, ciddilik, seriousness, ciddiliklə, with seriousness. Which seriousness? Same seriousness, eyni ciddiliklə. Hamı üçün, for everyone. Let's do another one. Mühasibatda or mühasibatlıqda, you can hear either one. I choose mühasibatda. Edilən kiçik bir xətalara belə göz yummaq, şirkətin etibarını sarsıda bilər. Ona görə prosesi yenidən qururuq. Those who are probably Arab or Persian, you will know what mühasibat mean. But let's see for others. Turning a blind eye, even to small mistakes in accounting, can undermine the company's credibility. So we are restructuring the process. Mühasibatda, in accounting. Mühasibatlıqda, same, in accounting. Now, edilən kiçik bir xətalara belə, to even small mistakes, basically, göz yummaq, turn a blind eye. Now, şirkətin, of the company, literal translation, etibarını, credibility, that is, şirkətin etibarını, company's credibility, sarsıda bilər, can undermine. Ona görə, so, that is why, we are restructuring. Yenidən qururuq. We are restructuring what? Prosesi yenidən qururuq. Mühasibatda edilən kiçik bir xətalara belə göz yummaq, şirkətin etibarını sarsıda bilər. Turning a blind eye to even small mistakes in accounting can undermine company's credibility. Ona görə, so, Prosesi yeniden kururuq. We are restructuring the process. That was today's word, göz yummak. How else we can use it in a fun way? When the meetings run late, they just do göz yummak and pretend schedules are optional. Now, to support you further, I have built 2 resources for you on top of this one. It's called Master Azerbaijani app that is available in Google Store and App Store. I'm giving Module 1 out completely free along with all the vocabulary words in existing modules and future modules that will come there in 2 iterations. Now, the Module 1 there is the foundational module. Highly recommended to go and do it. I would even say redo it, because once you nail that, there's nothing that can stop you from learning Azerbaijani. I also have masterazerbaijani.com available there since November 2025, where I've been posting blogs on multiple topics. You can also find some grammar tips, language tips there, along with historical and cultural tips of the language. So feel free to check this out. Otherwise, come back tomorrow. Cheers.